Profit and loss. Before learning profit and loss, we have to know what is a cost price and what is a selling price. First, what is a cost price? The price at which an article is purchased is called cost price. Cost price is abbreviated as CP. Next, what is a selling price? The price at which an article is sold is called selling price. Selling price is abbreviated as SP. Now, profit. If the cost price is less than the selling price, or if the selling price is greater than the cost price, then we get a profit. And the profit is abbreviated as G. Profit is also called gain. So that's why profit or gain are abbreviated as P or L. If cost price is less than selling price, then we get profit. Or if selling price is greater than cost price, then we get profit or gain. Then we can find profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP minus CP. To find the profit, we have to use this formula. Selling price minus cost price. If there is a cost price and profit, then we find SP. SP is equal to CP plus profit. If there is a selling price and profit, then we get a cost price. Cost price is equal to SP minus profit. And also we can find profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100%. These are all about profit. Next, loss. What is a loss? If the cost price is greater than selling price, then we get a loss. Loss is abbreviated as L. If cost price is greater than selling price, then we get loss. Loss is equal to, loss L is equal to CP minus SP. If there is a selling price and loss, we can get a cost price. If there is a selling price and loss, we can get a cost price. CP is equal to SP plus loss. If there is a cost price and loss, then we get a selling price. SP is equal to CP minus loss, cost price minus loss. Using these formulas, we can get loss, cost price, selling price, and also we can find loss percent. Loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100%. To understand those formulas, here we have two examples. Example 1, cost price in rupees 10, selling price also in rupees 12. Is there profit or loss? If there is profit, we have to find profit. If there is loss, we have to find loss percentage. Profit percent, loss percentage. And second, okay, first we can solve first question. First one, cost price 10 rupees, selling price 12 rupees. Here selling price is greater than cost price. So selling price is greater than cost price. So we can get profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Here we have selling price 12 rupees. 12 minus 10 is equal to 2 rupees. Profit is 2 rupees. We have found one answer. Profit. Here we have got profit 2 rupees profit. Next, if we get a profit, we have to find a profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100%. So here we have 2 rupees profit. 2 by cost price is 10 rupees into 100%. 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 tens are 20 rupees. Sorry, 20%. This is profit percentage. 20% is profit. 20% is profit. Next, second problem. Cost price is 30 rupees. Selling price is 20 rupees. So here cost price is greater than selling price. So we can get a loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Here CP is 30 rupees minus selling price is 20 rupees. 10 rupees loss. So this is first answer. Here we have to write 10 rupees loss. If there is loss, we have to find loss percentage also. Loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100 percentage. This is also formula. This is also formula. Loss 10 rupees, cost price 30 rupees into 100 percentage. We have to write percentage sign also. 0 gets cancelled. 10 tens are 100. 100 by 3 percentage. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 33 1 by 3 percentage. 33 1 by 3 percentage. This is the last percentage. Cost price is equal 25 rupees. Profit 20%. Find selling price. To find selling price, here we have formula. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus profit percentage by 100. So this is the formula. Cost price 25 rupees. 100 plus profit percentage 20 by 100. 25 into 100 plus 20, 120 by 100. 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 5s are 5 2s, 2 1s, 2 6. 5 6 are 30 rupees. This is the selling price. Here is one more problem. Cost price 25 rupees. Loss 20%. Find selling price. So selling price is equal to, if given loss percentage, then selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus loss percentage by 100. Cost price 25 rupees. 100 minus loss percentage 20 by 100. 25 into 80, 100 minus 20, 80 by 100. 0 0 gets cancelled. 4 2s are, sorry, 2 5 5s are 5 2s, 2 1s, 2 4s. 5 4s are 20. 20 rupees selling price.